Hello students, welcome to once again in basic mathematics class. I am your lecturer Miss Meenakshi Dikshit. Now again unit 1 algebra, and in that today we are going to start chapter number 2, which is determinant. So learning outcomes. Students, after watching this video, this whole series of determinant video, you will be able to evaluate the values of 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 determinants. You will be able to solve the simultaneous equations by using Cramer's rule, and you will be able to apply the concept of determinants to find area of triangle and quadrilateral. Now students, again, just like the chapter 1, the first thing is why we need to study determinant, right? Where we are going to use this determinant. Why? What are the applications of determinant? Why I am going to learn this determinant? So determinant is very useful to find the area of triangle. Okay, you are aware that you can find the area of triangle by using the formula half into base into height, right? In general, you can find the area of triangle by using the formula half into base into height. But students, there are some cases where height and base is not given. The only thing you know about the triangle is the vertices of a triangle. If just vertices of a triangle is given, then how will you find the area of that triangle? So when vertices is given, then also you can find the area of triangle by using determinant. Okay. So see how useful determinant is. Only vertices is given and you can find the area. Second application is to test the collinear points. Collinear points means points are in a straight line. So if 3 points are given, so whether these 3 points are collinear or not, these 3 points lies on a straight line or not. To check this collinearity, we use the concept of determinant. The next is to solve the equation. To solve the equation of a line by Cramer's rule. Okay, to solve the equations of a line, if two or more equations and two or more variables are given, then to find the point of intersection, we can use the concept of determinant. We can also find the equation of line by using Cramer's rule. Now, by using Cramer's rule, when we are determining the equation, then determinants can be found on a calculator for large system. Okay, if there are many values, many variables, then determinants can be found on calculator very easily. Very easily you can calculate the determinant value, and for that we are learning this determinant. Then if you need just one variable, you can find it with Cramer's rule. Whereas with the other techniques, you would have to find all the variables. That means, suppose 3 variables are given, x, y, z, and 3 equations are given, right? Now to find the variables x, y, z value, earlier what you have to do? Earlier you are solving the simultaneous equations, right? Previously what you are doing? Previously in school, you are taking first two equations, then you are solving first two equation, reducing the one variable, right? Eliminating the one variable and reducing the equation in remaining two variables. Similarly, you can take another two equations and again eliminating the same variable and reducing the equation in two variables, and then again you will solve the remaining two equations, two variable and two equations. Then again you eliminate one variable, then you find the x, then you find y, then you find z. So if you are interested only z, then also you have to find x, y, z, all the variables. Clear? Point is, you are interested only finding in z. You are not interested in x and y. You are just interested in z. But your previous method, your school method, says that to find z, you have to find x, you have to find y, then only you can find z. Okay, you can't find single variable by using previous method. But by using determinant, you can directly find z. No need to find x, no need to find y. If z is required, I can find only z. Clear? So, this is the application of determinant. So, determinant is really fully determinant. It will give you the exact variable in which you are interested. Clear? Then, next application is cryptography. Okay, determinant is used in cryptography. Now, what is cryptography? So, before explaining this cryptography, let me share a small incident with you. Okay? So, story का मज़ा तो हिंदी में है. So, let's start with हिंदी. So, जब मैं छोटी थी, when I was in school, okay? So, around 9th or 10th standard, not exactly I remember, but maybe 9th or 10th standard. So, वो टाइम पे केबल हुआ करता था, केबल आता था, केबल से हम टीवी पे बहुत सारे चैनल्स एंड मूवीज़ देखते थे. तो जब बच्चे 9th और 10th स्टैंडर्ड में आते थे तो पेरेंट्स कहते थे अरे नहीं नहीं अभी सिर्फ स्टडी करना है, आगे आपको टीवी नहीं देखना है. सो व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, दे आर जस्ट डिस्कनेक्टिंग द केबल. सो सेम थिंग मेरे भी पेरेंट्स ने, अब आप आ गए हो 9th स्टैंडर्ड में हो तो केबल का कनेक्शन कट कर दिया. सो 2 दिन तो बड़ा अपसेट थी मैं, बहुत बुरा लगा, अरे ऐसे कैसे केबल कट हो गया, अब क्या करूं, पूरा दिन क्या पढूं. थर्ड डे just I tried to open the TV, open the channel, and luckily what I am seeing is that कि उधर तो कुछ आ रहा है, कुछ तो पिक्चर आ रहा है, थोड़ा क्लियर नहीं है बट आ रहा है, थोड़ा थोड़ा आ रहा है. वाओ, सो हैप्पी, मज़ा आ गया, थोड़ा थोड़ा आ रहा है, चलो ठीक है थोड़ा थोड़ा ही देख लेंगे. वापस थोड़ा और उसको नेक्स्ट डे और थोड़ा क्लियर करने की कोशिश की और थोड़ा अच्छे से पिक्चर आया. एंड देन आफ्टर फ्यू डेज, आफ्टर 2 or 3 days, the picture quality was very clear. I can very clearly see the pictures. Okay, pictures मुझे अच्छे से दिखने लगे and I'm so happy. So parents happy, उनको लग रहा है कि केबल कट हो गया, right? And I'm happy कि केबल चालू है. So ये होता कैसे था, ये आता कैसे था? So this was like that. Earlier there is no coding of signals. Okay, signals are passing, simply signals are passing. So they are not coding the signals. Now they are coding the signals. अब कोई भी वायर टच हो जाए किसी दूसरे के वायर से, किसी दूसरे के केबल वायर से, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो पिक्चर देख सकता है. आपके बाजू में टाटा स्काई है, आपका वीडियोकॉन है, तो दोनों वायर टच हो गया तो ऐसा नहीं कि उनको वीडियोकॉन भी दिखेगा, आपको टाटा स्काई भी दिखेगा. नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट, बिकॉज नाउअडेज all the signals are encrypted. Okay, All the signals are encrypted, and this encryption is known as a cryptography. In cryptography, what we are doing? In cryptography, we are encoding the signals. Okay, so encoding and decoding of signals is comes under the cryptography, and this encoding and decoding part is totally based on matrices and determinants. Okay, so to encoding and decoding signals, you need a concept of matrices, you need a concept of determinant. Okay, matrices is based on determinant only. So if you know the concept of determinant, you can easily understand the matrices, and if you have command on determinant and matrices, then only you can easily understand the coding in coding of cryptography, encoding and decoding of under the cryptography. Clear? So these are the some important applications of determinant. So determinant is very simple, determinant is very useful, and most important determinant is very interesting. Okay, so with this I'm completing my first video on determinant. In next video we are going to start our determinant concept. So thank you students. Have a good day.